Next is introduction of chapter 4, fractions. Types of fraction. In this chapter, first is a type of fraction. You have to note down these types of fraction in your notebook. First type is like fraction. Now what are like fractions? Fractions having the same denominators are called like fraction. ऐसे फ्रैक्शन जिनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है मीन्स 1/7, 5/7, 9/7. Now all the fractions having the denominator 7. सबका denominator क्या है? 7. That is same. So that's why these kind of fractions are called like fractions. Next is unlike fraction. Now unlike fractions are opposite of like fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fraction. जिन फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग होता है जैसे 2/3, 3/5 and 4/9. Now in all the fractions you can see denominators are different. 3, 5, 9, these are the denominators, all are different. That's why they are called unlike fractions. Next is proper fraction. Now what is the proper fraction? Fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. जिसमें numerator smaller होता है denominator से. For example, 3/5. In 3/5, 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. 3 is less than 5. So this is called proper fraction. In next example, 8 is less than 9. So this is again called proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. This is again opposite of proper fraction. Fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. Numerator greater हो जाएगा denominator से. Like 7/2, 7 is greater than 2. 10/3, 10 is greater than 3. Now in both the conditions, numerator is greater than denominator. That's why they are called improper fractions. Next is unit fraction. Now what is unit fraction? Fractions with 1 as a numerator are called unit fraction. जब numerator में आप 1 लिख देते हो means 1/2, this is a unit fraction. 1/17, this is the unit fractions. So these kind of fractions are called unit fraction because numerator is having 1. Last, mixed fraction. Now fraction that are a combination of whole number and a proper fraction are called mixed fraction. अब इसमें क्या है? Combination of two numbers. First is a whole number and next is a proper fraction. For example, 2 3/8. Now in this 2 is a whole number but 3/8 is a proper fraction. So 2 3/8. This is called mixed fraction. This is a mixture of whole and proper fraction. Next 7 1/4. Now 7 is a whole number but 1/4 is a proper fraction. Next 1 14/15. Again 1 is a whole number and 14/15 is a proper fraction. Next 21 4/5. Now 21 is a whole number but 4/5 is a proper fraction. So this is again a mixture. So this is called mixed fraction. So these types you have to write down in your notebook. Thank you.